Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journeys family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Happy Memorial Day to everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful and a blessed and safe day. And yeah, today I'm doing a lemon cake, but it's for one. It's a cake in a mug. I'm not going to do it in a mug. I'm just going to do it in a little ramekin, but you can do it in a mug. I like for my top to rise up when I do it in a lemon cake, because I'm going to put a lemon glaze on top of it as well, but it keeps me from eating an entire cake. I can just make just one. So if you're interested in seeing that, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay, for the ingredients, we have 4 tablespoons of self-rising flour. We have 3 tablespoons of sugar. We have 3 tablespoons of almond milk. You can use any type of vegan milk that you want. 1 tablespoon of vegan butter, and 1/4 a tablespoon of vanilla. And then we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. You can add a little more if you want it a little tangier. Sometimes I add a little more. And then for the glaze, we're going to use additional, for the top of it after it bakes, 2 tablespoons of confectionate sugar, powdered sugar, whatever you want to call it. And then 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice put in there to thin it out, to use as the glaze. And that is it. So first off, I don't grease the pan because I'm going to eat it from right out of here. But if you want to dump it out onto something, I recommend you go ahead and do that. I'm going to take my butter and put it into my almond milk, and I'm going to nook it for about 30 seconds. So let's do that. And then what I'm going to do is mix in my flour. Try not to make a mess, as I always do. And my sugar. Get them incorporated together. And this is warm. Mix that up pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and pour in my, try not to waste it, I did, of course, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And if you don't have lemon, you can always use lemon extract. Sometimes I still put a little bit of lemon extract into my powdered sugar for my glaze, just to give it that stronger taste. And then we'll go ahead and do our 1 teaspoon, and you can taste it. If it's not lemony enough for you, add another little bit more. That's hot, and I'm wasting it as always. I can't do nothing without making a mess. I really can't. But whatever. Mess or no mess, it's still gonna taste delicious. You probably don't need to leave it in at 30 seconds because it's hot, but do like 15, 20. And that's about the consistency that you wanted, so I'm not going to put the last little drop of it in there. But let's taste it. Make sure it's lemony enough. And it needs to be a little bit more lemon, so I'm just going to take just a smidgen, like a little drop of vanilla extract, and just drop it in there. Just drop, because I don't want to thin it out anymore, because then I will have to add some more flour to it, and I don't want to do that. Yeah, that is good. So my microwave is 1200 watt microwave, I believe is what it is. So I put mine in there for 90 seconds. So what I'm going to do is wipe off some of this mess at the top where I, spilled it everywhere. That's what I do on this channel. I make a mess. I'm going to put that in for 90 seconds, and then we'll make the glaze while we wait. for the glaze, let me rinse this off. And for the glaze, we're just going to add in lemon juice. It's about 1 tablespoon, but I mean 1 teaspoon, I guess, but I just like it a certain consistency, so just put a little bit in and stir it up. I like it kind of thick. And if you want more glaze than this, just by all means use more powdered sugar. And you have to let it cool if you want it to be a thick glaze on top of it. But I'll stick a toothpick in there and make sure it's done. And then I just stick some additional holes in there and just let this drain on down inside of it and eat it like that. And that's it. Taste it. It's good and lemony. And it's done all at the same time. Add a little bit more juice. And of course, don't waste it. So let's get a toothpick, and this ramekin is going to be hot. I don't want to burn up my wood. So let's stick the toothpick in. See what it gets. See, it came out clean. No. Take that spongy, bounces up, which means it's done. You just don't get the hard crust like you would get if you put it in the oven. Now, by all means, if you want to heat up an oven for this, hey, I can't stop you on that. But cake in 90 seconds worked great for me, and you know what's in it, and it's vegan. So what I'm gonna do, stick a few more holes in here because I just like the lemon juice to just go down in there. But that's just me. And this just straight lemon juice right here. And it ain't cool enough to put this sugar on here, but I'm going to put a little bit on here right now just to go behind that lemon juice. And then I'm going to let it cool, and then I'm going to pour the rest of it on here. This will make a harder top for right now. So we're gonna wait about 5 minutes and then we'll come back, so stay tuned. Okay, y'all, this is cooled down enough for me to put this sugar on the top. Oh, and it's running off. And we're gonna let it sit up there and get hard, and hopefully it might still be too warm, so we're gonna taste it in just a minute, so stay tuned for that. Okay guys, I have let it cool and I've taken all of my pictures, so you know what time it is. It is time for the taste test. Look at that. You see that cake? It's moist. Y'all see that? All that good lemony flavor. If you love a good lemon cake, it's the next best thing to a lemon pound cake. I swear it is. And I make a very good lemon pound cake. It ain't vegan, but it's a very, very good lemon pound cake. Y'all want the recipe? Let me know. I make it a lot for people, but it's not vegan. I keep trying to make one vegan, just don't turn out right. Don't. All I need is some ice cream. I haven't bought any ice cream since the pandemic because when it started, I was on Lent, and I was fasting sweets for Lent, and then I just haven't bought any ice cream. Yo, please try this, and if you do, comment below and let me know how delicious it is, cause it is the bomb. You put some vanilla ice cream, dump this thing out and put some vanilla ice cream beside it. Or just put some vanilla ice cream on top of it, but you know, you gotta put it in a mug to put vanilla ice cream on top of it, or the vanilla ice cream, you know, roll off. And I do that when I have ice cream, I put it in a mug. I can't wait for it to cool all the way. It's still warm, which means it's even better. Got all this lemon goodness in here. Look, and I ate all of it. Anyway, once again, I hope you guys have a safe and wonderful Memorial Day weekend. With the weekend over, Memorial Day. And thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed it. Please thumbs up the video. It helps out a lot. And share it with a friend. So thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. I already said that. And I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye. Lord, I need some ice cream. I'm gonna cook something on my grill. I'm gonna try it on grill. I'm gonna try it today.